join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update. Question number 1. Union Health Ministry has approved annual plan of worth how much for Jammu and Kashmir under National Health Mission? Answer A. Rupees 1163.40 crore. In the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the Union Ministry for Health and Family Welfare has approved annual plan worth rupees 1163.40 crore for the Union Territory for financial year 2021-22 under National Health Mission. Question number 2. Center has allocated how much amount to Gujarat under Jal Jeevan Mission? Answer C. Rupees 3,411 crore. Center allocates rupees 3,411 crore grant to Gujarat under Jal Jeevan Mission to provide safe and portable piped drinking water to all the rural households in the state. Question number 3. Who has chaired BRICS Foreign Ministers virtual meeting? Answer C. S. Jaishankar. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will chair a BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting virtually. India is hosting the meeting as the chair of BRICS. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Question number 4. Which bank has announced 3 loan schemes amid fight against coronavirus? Answer D. Canara Bank. State-run Canara Bank announced 3 loan schemes as part of the fight against the pandemic, under which it will offer healthcare credit, business and personal loan to individuals. Question number 5. How much amount of monetary assistance was approved by government to students through DBT under midday meal scheme? Answer D. Rupees 11.80 crore. The Union Government has decided to provide monetary assistance to students through direct benefit transfer under the midday meal scheme. Question number 6. Who has been given additional charge of Director General of National Investigation Agency NIA? Answer D. Kuldeep Singh. Director General of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF Kuldeep Singh has been given additional charge of Director General of National Investigation Agency NIA. Question number 7. Who was given additional charge as Chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes? Answer D. J.B. Mohapatra. J.B. Mohapatra, a 1985 batch Indian Revenue Service officer, was given the additional charge as CBDT chairman after the extended tenure of incumbent PC Modi ended. Question number 8. Who has been elected as the president of the International Narcotics Control Board? Answer D. Jagjit Pavadia. Jagjit Pavadia, the former Narcotics Commissioner of India, has been elected as the president of the International Narcotics Control Board. Question number 9. Who was conferred with President's Award by International Hockey Federation during the 47th FIH Congress? Answer A. V. Karthikeyan Pandian. V. Karthikeyan Pandian, an IAS officer and private secretary to Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, was conferred with President's Award by International Hockey Federation during the 47th FIH Congress. Question number 10. Which of the following states or union territory has launched the YonTab scheme for students to encourage digital learning? Answer B. Ladakh. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor has launched the YonTab scheme for students in the Union Territory. It is formulated to encourage digital learning, bridge the digital divide between connected and unconnected, and mitigate the COVID pandemic disruptions. Question number 11. Which state or union territory has launched Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge workers? Answer A. Kerala. Kerala government has launched Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge workers. Question number 12. CBSE partners with Dash to introduce coding and data science as new subject in 2021-22 academic session. Answer A. Microsoft. The Central Board of Secondary Education has collaborated with Microsoft to introduce coding as a new subject for students of class 6 to 8 and data science as new subject for class 8 to 12 in the 2021-22 academic session. Question number 13. Which of the following state has retained the top rank in Niti Ayoga's SDG India Index 2020-21? Answer A. Kerala. Kerala has retained the top rank in Niti Ayoga's SDG India Index 2020-21. Kerala retained its rank as the top state with a score of 75. Question number 14. Which company has become the third Indian IT firm to scale rupees 3 trillion market capitalization? Answer A. Wipro. Wipro has touched the rupees 3 trillion in market capitalization for the first time, becoming the third Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone after Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys. Question number 15. What is the rank of Indian men's hockey team in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings? Answer D. Fourth. In hockey, the Indian men's team maintained their fourth position in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings. Question number 16. What is the rank of the Indian women's hockey team in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings? Answer C. Ninth. The women's team held to the ninth position in the latest International Hockey Federation World Rankings. Question number 17. Who among the following gets 2-year extension as RBI Deputy Governor? Answer A. Mahesh Kumar Jain. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the reappointment of Mahesh Kumar Jain as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India for 2 more years with effect from June 22, 2021. Question number 18. Which institute is at the top among the Indian institutes in the top 100 of the Asia University Ranking 2021? Answer B. IISc Bangalore. Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2021. 3 Indian universities secured positions in the top 100 list. IISc Bangalore, IIT Ropar, and IIT Indore have secured ranks among the top 100 universities in Asia. Question number 19. Which state has recently topped in the National Performance Grading Index of School Education for 2019-20 that released by the Centre? Answer D. Punjab. Punjab topped the National Performance Grading Index of School Education for 2019-20 released by the Centre. Question number 20. Who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India? Answer B. Anup Chandra Pandey. The Union Government has appointed Anup Chandra Pandey, a retired IS officer of the 1984 batch, Uttar Pradesh cadre, as Election Commissioner. Question number 21. RBI has granted approval for the reappointment of Dash as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank. Answer B. Chandrasekhar Ghosh. The Reserve Bank of India has granted approval for the reappointment of Chandrasekhar Ghosh as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank for a period of 3 years. Question number 22. Which bank became second globally to offer Swift GPI instant cross-border inward remittance facility? Answer D. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank on June 2nd announced that it has tied up with Swift to offer instant facility for cross-border inward remittance. Question number 23. The World Bank has projected India's economy to grow at a dash percent in 2021. Answer C. 8.3%. The World Bank has projected India's economy to grow at 8.3% in 2021 and 7.5% in 2022. Question number 24. The mobile app Namaste Yoga devoted to yoga has been launched by which ministry? Answer A. Ministry of Ayush. A mobile application devoted to yoga named as Namaste Yoga has been launched by Ministry of Ayush. The Namaste Yoga app has been designed as an information platform for the public with the aim to raise awareness about yoga and make it accessible for the larger community. Question number 25. Which of the following banks has recently announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program, an employee-funded program for its low-income customers whose livelihoods are affected by COVID-19? Answer C. IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank has announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program, an employee-funded program for its low-income customers whose livelihoods are affected by COVID-19. Question number 26. Which of the following will become the world's first mask-free country in the corona period? Answer D. Israel. Israel will become the world's first mask-free country in the corona period. Here, the rule of applying masks in closed places will end from June 15. Question number 27. Name the first village in India where the entire population above 18 years has been vaccinated. Answer D. Wayan. Wayan, a village in district Bandipur, has become the first village in the country where the entire population above 18 years has been vaccinated. Question number 28. Which state government increased honorism of ASHA workers by rupees 1000 and gives additional rupees 500 as COVID allowance? Answer B. Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government has decided to increase the honorism of ASHA workers by rupees 1000 and give an additional rupees 500 as COVID allowance. Question number 29. Who has been appointed first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sports University? Answer B. Karna Maleshwari. The government has appointed former Olympic medalist Karna Maleshwari as the first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sports University. Question number 30. What is next generation of Windows launched by Microsoft? Answer A. Windows 11. Microsoft officially launched its new Windows operating system, Windows 11. It is being called as the next generation of Windows.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.